Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TCU for Olympiads and JEE. Today I am back with another video on the one question series of mathematics. Let's start with this question. It states four fair dice D1, D2, D3 and D4, each having six faces, are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, are rolled simultaneously. The probability that D4 shows a greater number appearing on one of sorry shows a number appearing on one of D1, D2 and D3. These are the four options: 91 by 216, 108 by 216, 125 by 216, 127 by 216. So let's start with the solving of the question. Those who want to try it yourself may pause the video and try it once. I'm proceeding with the solution. So let's first write that these are the die D1, D2, D3, D4. And we are assuming variables, let x1, x2, x3 and x4 be the numbers which appear on the die when they are thrown. Means when I throw dice 1, we get let's say 2, this then x1 is 2 and so on. So first, while calculating the probability, first let's calculate the sample space. So sample space means the given space is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 equals to 6 to the power 4. Right? How is it? Means these 6 are for dice D1, this is for D2, this is for D3 and this is for D4. Right? Means I am willing to say that uh, each of the die has 6 options, means 6 way options of means the number coming, and they are multiplied because there are all the four events means the total is multiplied. Fine. So we have calculated our sample space equals to 6 to the power 4. Now let's analyze the cases for the solution set. So case 1. Case 1 it states, what does it state? Yeah. Well, it states that let's say we have D1, no sorry not D1, X1 not equals to X2 not equals to X3. We don't know anything about X4. Right? So here we have 6 into 5 into 4 cases. Right? Now, in order to satisfy this statement, the probability that D4 shows a number appearing on any one of D1, D2 and D3. Anyone. Right? So D1, D2, D3, anyone. So X4 is equals to any one of X1 or X2 or X3. So here 3 means okay, ways. So case 1, the final thing is 3 into 6 into 5 into 4. Fine. So this is one. Moving on to the next, 1 second. Yeah. So now what we can say is case 2. Case 2 I am dealing with. Case 2 I am saying any two of x1, x2, x3 are equal and the other not. So we have to first do this 3C2 means choosing the two out of the three which are equal and then multiply this with 6 into 5. 6 for the one chose earlier and the other 5. Right? Okay. So these are the ways here, which is equal to 3 into 6 into, and our x4 must be equals to any one of this any one of the two So for x4 we have two choices. So 3 into 6 into 5 into 2. Moving on to case 3, where I am saying x1 equals to x2 equals to x3, and that must be equals to x4 only. Fine. You can understand why is it so. So here we have 6 ways only for all b equals to 1 or all equals to 2 or all equals to 3 or all equals to 6 and means 4, 5, 6 so on. So here we will have only 6, right? So just now calculating the probability, here, being the probability which is equals to that denominator will be, I'm already writing denominator 6 to the power 4. Just numerators I am writing as first one. First one is 3 into 6 into 5 into 4. Fine. So here is 3 into 6 into 5 into 4. Then we have plus 3 into 6 into 5 into 2. Then we have another plus 6. So what we can do is cancel 6 from all of this. 1 second. And the screen length here. Cancelling 6 from all of this, which is equals to 3 into 5 into 4 plus 3 into 5 into 2 plus 1 divided by 6 cube. This is 60. So this is 60. This is 30. And this is 1. So 91 by 6 cube is 216. This is our answer. Let's see which of the option is it. This is option A. This is option A. So we have done with our solution. Now just let's revise what we have done. We just named D1, the number coming on D1 as x1, the number coming on D2 as x2, the number coming on D3 as x3, the number coming on D4 as x4. Now we have calculated the sample space, which is equal to 6 to the power 4. We have divided the question into 3 cases where x1 not equals to x2 not equals to x3. Next case is any two of x1, x2, x3 are equal and the other not, means other not equal to that x1 equal. For example, x3 is not, the other not. So x1 is equals to x2 and x3 is not equals to any, means not equals to the number which is x1 or x2 equal. For example, let's say x1 equals to x2 equals to 3 and x3 equals, x2 will not be 3, x3 can be anything else. So this is the case. Here we will have these many ways and the x4 will have two choices. So 3 into 6 into 5 into 2. And case 3 we will have all three equal and all three equal to x4. So this is, we will have only 6 ways. Now we are calculating the probability here. So this is the case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. Calculating everything, we will get 91 by 216, which is our required answer. So with this, we have come to an end of this video. With a great note of thanks, I am going to end the video here. Thank you so very much for watching the video till the end.